Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technology Hell, and today we are going to install a new PSU into our cabinet. So I have a FRONTECH PSU which is 450 watts and it has turned quite old and looks really old and weird. So I have got this new one, Corsair VS550, which is about 550 watts, and I am going to install this over here in my CPU. So you can see that the old one has just a thin layer of wires, but the new one has many wires. So that's not a problem. We can just put them on one side and it'll be ready.